Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly, and in today's video, you guys, I want to show you how I'm decorating my coffee station. Now, my coffee station is part of my kitchen, but it's a little bit separate, so I'm super enjoying this. I've never had a space like this before, and I want to make sure that I give it that nice, unique touch. And of course, for the fall season, you guys, we have to make sure that it's nice and cozy and just welcoming, and that is my whole goal. If you guys have not seen my kitchen video, I'll go ahead and make sure to link that down below. And also at the back of the video, you guys, so don't miss out on that. It's a lot of nice ideas, and I hope it inspires you for your fall decor. Start off in this area. It is completely blank from top to bottom. I'm gonna first work on the bottom area where the coffee station is actually gonna be located, and then I wanna put some finishing touches right on the top like I did for the rest of the kitchen, and that just makes everything a lot warmer and a lot more inviting. So without further ado, let's get decorating. So first thing is I'm gonna use these inexpensive placemats, you guys, and this is something I already had. I just want to add kind of like a layering effect, so I'm going to use this as my first layer, and I'm going to make sure they're matched up and they're nice to size. Then I want to go ahead and bring over some florals. What I'm trying to do is hide these outlets. They're kind of an eyesore, so I want to make sure that they're not very visible. And of course, what station would be a coffee station without the actual coffee maker? So again, I'm going to go ahead and try to hide that outlet right back here. I picked up this sign from Ross, and it was only $5.99. It's not fall related, but I think that you can use this all year long. And all it says is, I can do all things through prayer and coffee. So I want to put this to add a little bit of height towards the back. When my guests come over, I like to offer them a little treat with their coffee. So I'm just adding some cookies into this little container here. And I like the wood tones because the wood tones is going to warm up the area. And so I'm going to bring this two-tiered little tray here. Put this guy right over here. Then I'm just going to decorate with just a couple of pumpkins. I'm going to add 2 of the Dollar Tree pumpkins there. If you guys saw my summer haul, I had these in the side, but they add a little bit of greenery. So I think I'm just going to put these right around here just to add some interest. There you go. Want to bring some height towards the back here and some greenery. Now, very simple trick is to add your little coffee spoons. This is another little sugar jar that I had, and I'm not going to use it for the sugar, so I'm going to just display the sugar spoons. Now in this section you can use straws, or you can use whatever you want to stir your coffee, whatever it is that you guys use. Just gonna place a lid there. Picked these up last year in the Dollar Tree, you guys. They're just salt and pepper shakers, but they're in the shape of little mason jars, which are so cute. I'm gonna be adding pumpkin spice to one, and I'm gonna be adding cinnamon to the other, because I like to shake these 2 things into my coffee. And these are already washed. chalk pen, I'm just gonna write in the bottom. I'm gonna put a P for pumpkin spice. And then I'm gonna write a C for cinnamon, since they're very similar. You can also do this on the top, you guys, since this is removable. So here I'm gonna write pumpkin spice. And on this one, I'm gonna write cinnamon. So that way everybody knows what it is they're sprinkling onto their coffee. I'll just set this up here. Super cute. My kitchen smells so nice right now. And then of course, I'm gonna serve my sugar. I'm gonna serve my sugar. And I picked these up from HOMEGOODS a couple years ago, and it's just a set. It's the creamer and the sugar. So I'll go ahead and add that over to this corner here. I'm just gonna add this beautiful gourd pumpkin that's part of my set, you guys. I'm gonna add that over here. And then of course you need your coffee mugs. This one says hubby and wifey. And just to add a little touch of decor, let me see, I can add this over here. I think that will look cute. And these are everyday items. Like you see, it's not fall related. However, just by adding little touches of fall with the mums, the white mums, and adding it with the glass gourd here, it kind of brings the fall feel, the actual vignette. And that is going to be my coffee station for now, unless there's any other changes. And of course, I will bring that to you guys in the case it does change. And so when guests come over, I like to present to them a couple of options for creamers, and I couldn't find pumpkin spice unfortunately, but I did get some yummy flavors. I got Southern Butter Pecan. I also got French Vanilla, which will go excellent with the pumpkin spice, and of course the Hershey's Chocolate Creamer as well, which has caramel. It's one of my favorites. And so that's just basically what I do. I like to give them a couple of options, and these obviously are tried and proven in my opinion, and these are one of my favorites to present when we have guests over. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, you guys. That shows me that you're really enjoying my content and me sharing my beautiful home with you guys. And also comment below, let me know what is your favorite thing that you like the most. And also, you guys, make sure you subscribe. Why aren't you subscribed yet? don't let the video end without you hitting that subscribe button down there and hit that notification bell so that way you know every single time I download a video. And coming up next, very important, it's my fall home tour, you guys. I am so excited to bring this to you guys. And of course, there's gonna be changes, there's gonna be new things in that video. I'm not gonna just show you the same thing I've been showing you all these videos. So I'm super excited about showing you all of the new items, you guys, and all the little nooks and crannies throughout my home. So make sure that you're staying tuned. And also, I'm gonna link the videos at the end of this video, okay? All my fall videos are gonna be at the end of this video. That way you can just click on my playlist and you'll see everything that's going on, you guys. I wanna make sure that you're not missing anything, all right? Well, thank you so much for watching. You guys are always so sweet with your comments and I'm enjoying them every single day. So thank you and take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.